Hello, my name's Alexis. I work here at Foal Farm Animal Rescue in Biggin Hill in Kent, and we'd like to tell you our story. So our mission here at Foal Farm is to take in as many animals as we can properly care for, to restore them back to health and happiness, and where possible we'll find them new homes, or we will provide them sanctuary for life. We've been going for nearly 60 years. For just £3, you can feed a stray cat and her kittens that we can care for, provide an abandoned rabbit with warm bedding, or a toy to give a traumatised dog some enrichment. We also need help to save the horses, donkeys and farm animals that we have here on the farm. We save over 500 animals a year and we rely solely on donations, and we provide a very important service for the community. So if you can support us by giving £3 a month, just click on the link. Thank you. So just £3 a month saves lives.